Hey guys, in today's video I want to talk about iOS 12. Now the operating system has been awesome for the last 2 days and I really enjoyed the performance and everything is cool. But there's just still so many annoying things that Apple could easily change and they haven't done so. And I wanted to talk about those in this video because they're just so annoying. I hope Apple was to see this video and change these things. Let's begin. Now, before I begin with my rant on Apple's worst, most annoying things about iOS 12, there's been an application that I've been wanting to share with you guys for quite some time and is finally available in the App Store. If you would like to support the channel, I would highly appreciate it if you download it from the links in the description. You get to earn money by using this application. It's very simple. You go ahead and create an account. It's a referral service, so you have to be referred. My link will be in the description. You watch videos, you earn money. You go here and you see the tasks section. It tells you every single way you can earn. It's real money too. So if I go here to my account, you see right there I can cash out, and right here I can go ahead and click cash out, and it's real PayPal money right there. I can transfer it to my account. So let's say you refer 10 friends, right there you have 30 bucks right away. So it helps you, it helps me as a creator to grow the channel, get better cameras, lighting, better microphones. I would highly appreciate it if you download it. Links in the description. Now let's get to the video. So I'm sure by the time you're done watching this video, you'll probably agree with me with some of the most annoying things about iOS. Getting a phone call. What do I do now? I can either decline it, I can remind me later, send a message, or accept it. I can't do anything else. Why can't we just fix this, Apple? It's iOS 12. So easy. A banner up at the top. We can dismiss the call. The person doesn't know that you declined the call, or they don't know that you send it to the voicemail. It still rings in the background, but you can still use your device because once the phone call comes in, that's it. You're done. It's so simple, Apple. This shouldn't be happening in iOS 12 at this point. It's really annoying. I'm still wondering, why is this volume hood still a thing? Right there. It's right in the middle of the screen. When you take a screenshot, it's in the middle of the screen. When you put the volume up and down, it's in the middle of the screen. Really? I mean, it's so intrusive. Even on the home screen, putting the volume up and down. Sometimes I'm sharing pictures and videos in this thing. I put the volume up and down. It's right in the center. I can't believe Apple still hasn't gotten rid of these annoying little things about iOS. So you want to turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in iOS, right? Let's go to the control center. We don't have to go to settings because we just turn them off here. No, not really. They're just disconnected. They're wasting battery, constantly searching for more Wi-Fi networks, for more Bluetooth connectivity, and now we can't even turn them off directly from Control Center. They're still on. They're just temporarily disconnected. Why can't we turn these off? Add a 3D effect or 3D toggle to these toggles to give us the option to completely disconnect or turn off if we wish to do so. By making us go to settings to really turn these features off, it's really annoying. So now let's talk about the lock screen here quickly. Why does Apple don't allow us to change these two shortcuts to whatever we want? First off, the camera here takes us to the camera, and if we swipe to the right, it takes us to the camera. Why do we have two same things in the same area? It doesn't make a lot of sense. It'd be cool if Apple lets us turn this button into whatever we want instead of just having the camera there, or this one instead of having just a flash, but it just doesn't make a lot of sense. Now this next one, I'm pretty sure iPhone 10 users will agree. The battery indicator in the status bar doesn't really show us a lot of information on how our battery is doing, okay? So if we swipe down, we can see the percentage, right? So why not give us the option within the battery settings to choose whether we want the icon or the percentage? I'm pretty sure a lot of people will agree that the percentage will be a more useful indicator to the battery percentage, because sometimes I just like to glance at my iPhone 10 and I see this indicator here, but it doesn't show me anything. I like to see the percentage. Something really easy, Apple. Let us get it in iOS 12. Now, can someone explain to me why we can't still change the resolution right within the camera? Right here we have 4K 60 frames. All I have to do is tap here, right, and change it. Well, no. All I have to do is go to settings, find the camera extension, and here it is. And now go to right here. I know that's slow motion, video recording. Okay, now I can change it. So it took me all that. And some people don't even know you can do that. So please, Apple, allow us to change the quality of the video, the resolution, right within the Cameras app. I'm pretty sure it's simple for you to do. Now this last one's more of a user request, but I'm sure a lot of you guys will agree. Apple, please give us dark mode. They've brought dark mode to the Mac with the latest versions of Mac OS. Why not bring it to the iPhone? We have smart invert, and a lot of people are okay with this, but this is not truly dark mode. It's more just an accessibility feature. We need true dark mode. Apple themselves said it looks really cool. It helps a lot with the user experience, especially at night. So why not make it available for the iPhone? I'm hoping that Apple will give us dark mode with iOS 12. Let me know what you think about all these things I talked about in those comments down below. Do you agree? Do you not agree? And once again, guys, if you want to support the channel, please download the app. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Peace.